Welcome to the video everyone. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Bachmann Class 31. I've managed to get my hands on this model ahead of it being generally available to do this exclusive review just for you. It's coming soon to retailers in a variety of colours, and we've got the classic blue and yellow one here to take a look at. Of course, other 31s are available and have been around for a long time. Way back, Lima did this version, which wasn't bad for the time to be fair. And then Hornby did their version. I think this was just with a Lima tooling, but they did go on to revise it. And you know, that's a pretty good looking model. And if you want even more choice, Scale are currently working on a Class 31 as well. So if you're one of the lucky 4 Class 31 fans, you've got loads of options if you want to buy a model of this old, boring locomotive. However, us 55,000 fans of the Class 385 will just have to wait a little longer. So, which one should you choose, and why should you consider the Bachmann one? If you're tempted by the Bachmann Class 31, then the RRP of almost £360 could surely tempt you. I mean, for the price of a second-hand Honda Civic, you could get a whole toy train. But you can see some retailers are already discounting by almost 15% to a more reasonable price, but that's still reassuringly more expensive than an Audi A4. So what do you get for your money? Well, one of the great features on the Bachmann 31 is this spinny roof fan. With it being just off-center, it has a comedy wobble when it revolves. No other manufacturer can say they have that unique feature. So the Bachmann... what was that? Never mind. The Class 31 is really priced and unnecessary. I'd totally recommend you don't buy it.